Hello, my queens. So, I know I look crazy, but there's for reasons. I'm in the middle of a few reviews, and on my eyes, I have the Nico palette, and I'll finish that up after I do my base. Well, after I do my primer, because I want to try this right here. It's called the Glow Recipe. It's a strawberry BHA pore smoothing blur drops. Pore defying blurring. And I usually always do my primer before I even do my eyeshadow, but I was so excited to try that bad boy out. So this is supposed to be a 2-in-1. Like it's supposed to be skincare and a primer. And it said a pea size amount. And yeah, it just came out flowing. Yeah, my cat I think is starstruck. I put him on one of my YouTube videos, and not every time, like I'm not even lying. At first I was joking when I first put him on, but every time I'm sitting here talking into my phone like a crazy lady, he comes running like he's ready to be filmed again. So I think he got a little big headed. And it says it does take like 30 seconds to blur out everything. Because as of right now, I don't see shit. But it claims to blur pores instantly, controls excess oil, visibly reduce pore size with this all-in-one treatment and primer packed with mattifying blend of Tabanica and rice, escalated BHA and strawberry eczema to smooth skin's texture. Strawberry leaf extract and plant defying pore minimizer absorbs excess oil while keeping skin hydrated. For a soft focused satin look, wear alone or under makeup as a primer. Still, so far, nothing. Now, granted, in my camera, it doesn't look like nothing changed, but in my mirror, it looks a little bit better. As a pore treatment, evenly spread pea-size amount. Pat on to clean tone AM and PM. As blurring primer used at last step of skincare routine before makeup. Allowed to absorb fully. As a touch-up, apply onto your oiliest areas such as forehead, nose, and chin. So, I won't pay attention like too hard at it, but I don't see nothing really. Do y'all? And they don't really feel no different. Maybe adding now this is my favorite primer to blur out stuff. It's this one right here, the Milk Makeup Blur the Pore Eclipse. I just feel the smoothness on my face with that. Sorry, Garfield. So I'm just gonna put this on top, especially like my really bad textured areas. First time I went to the beach and not come back burnt. So yeah, we didn't go down to the ocean much. Now, do y'all see the difference? Now, the combination I like. By itself, I'm just going to have to keep trying it. But I mean, I didn't really see much difference in real time here. So it ain't nothing wowie. It is $32 for this product. So I would expect wowie. Just saying, because you only get 1 fluid ounce out of here. And you can easily go, or 30 milliliters, go and grab this for 20 milliliters and get Wowie for 18 bucks. And Milk Makeup is a really good brand, so do your math. Love y'all. So this is the final look. I don't know how well this did because, like I said, I put my Milk Makeup on. But I can tell you that my foundation is flawless. And I don't know if it's because this is new. And it feels so comfortable on the skin. This helped, maybe. I don't know, but we will be trying it again. Look at that.